Your iPhone screen is not responding to touch. Here are 11 fixes, from quickest to most thorough, step by step. No data is erased unless we say so.
Fix 1. Clean the screen. Oil, moisture, and tiny debris can confuse the touch sensor. Turn the phone off if you can. Take a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth, slightly damp is fine, and wipe the whole screen, especially the edges.
Then turn it back on and test. A dirty screen causes more touch problems than you would think.
Fix 2. Remove the case and screen protector. Cheap or ill-fitting protectors and cases that cover the screen edges can block touch. Take the phone out of its case. Peel the protector off from one corner. Test the screen without them.
If touch works again, the accessory was the problem. Install a good quality protector and test again.
Fix 3. Unplug everything. A low-quality charger or a connected accessory can interfere with the touchscreen. Remove the Lightning or USB-C cable. Unplug headphones and adapters too.
If the screen starts working, swap the charger and cable for an Apple-certified one and avoid using the phone while it charges.
Fix 4. Restart normally. On an iPhone with Face ID, hold the side button and either volume button. On an iPhone with a home button, hold the side or top button. When the slider appears, drag it from left to right.
Wait a few seconds. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If your phone will not turn on at all, charge it for 1 hour and try again.
Fix 5. Force restart.
This is the fix that solves most unresponsive screens, and it erases no data. The buttons depend on your model, so pick the one that matches. Face ID models like iPhone 8 and later. Press and quickly release volume up.
Press and quickly release volume down. Then press and hold the side button and keep holding. Ignore the power slider if it appears. Hold until the Apple logo shows, about 10 to 20 seconds, then release.
iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold volume down and the side button together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6s, the first iPhone SE and older, hold the home button and the side or top button together until the Apple logo appears.
If it does not work the first time, try 2 or 3 times. Then test your screen.
Fix 6. Update iOS and your apps. Touch problems are often fixed by Apple in software updates, including reported issues after iOS 26 on some models. Open Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update now.
Then open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the corner and tap Update All. If touch only fails inside one app, update or reinstall that app.
Fix 7. Use the built-in accessibility tools. These are officially designed for fine motor support, and they work great as a touch workaround. First, touch accommodations. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, then Touch Accommodations.
Turn it on. Hold duration makes the phone wait longer before registering a tap. Beyond 0.3 seconds, you get a circular timer around your finger. Ignore repeat turns rapid double taps into one tap.
Tap Assistance lets you choose whether the phone registers where you first touch or where you lift off. Second, Assistive Touch. In the same touch settings, turn on Assistive Touch. A gray button appears on screen.
Tap it to open a menu with Home, Control Center, and more. So you can navigate without swiping. You can even say, "Hey Siri, turn on Assistive Touch."
Fix 8. Reinstall iOS from a computer. This fixes deep software corruption. You will need a Mac or PC, the cable that came with your phone, and either Finder on a Mac, the Apple Devices app on Windows, or iTunes.
Connect the phone to the computer and open Finder, Apple Devices, or iTunes. Now put the phone in recovery mode.
For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the Connect to Computer screen appears. For iPhone 7,
hold the side and volume down buttons.
For older models, hold the home and top buttons. On the computer, you will see the message. There is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Click Update first. This reinstalls iOS and keeps your data.
If that does not work, click Restore, which erases everything. Keep the phone connected the whole time. After it finishes, set up your iPhone again.
Fix 9. Erase all content and settings. This is a full factory reset, so back up first. Open Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm with your passcode, then tap Erase iPhone.
The phone restarts to the Hello screen. Set it up as new first and test the screen. If touch works only after restoring a backup, that backup carried the problem.
Fix 10, the DFU Restore device firmware update. This is the deepest software reset an iPhone can do, and it erases all data. Only try it if recovery mode did not help. Connect to your computer and open Finder, Apple devices, or iTunes.
For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release. Volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. Then add volume down.
After about 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding volume down for 10 more seconds. The screen stays black. That is how you know DFU worked. If you see the Apple logo or the cable screen, you are in recovery mode instead. Start over.
On the computer, click Restore and wait for it to finish.
Fix 11. Hardware service. If no software fix worked, the problem may be physical. Some iPhones are covered by free Apple repair programs. For example, the iPhone 11 display module program for touch issues.
Check the Apple Service Programs page with your serial number. You can find the serial number in Settings, General, About, then book a Genius Bar appointment at getsupport60apple.com.
Remember, if the screen is cracked or the phone was in water, that must be handled first, and it may cost money. Back up your data and turn off Find My iPhone before service.
So why does an iPhone screen stop responding? There are 6 main causes: software, a stuck process, or a buggy update. This is the most common and why restarting fixes most cases. Dirt and moisture, oil, water, and debris block the touch sensor.
Accessories, cheap protectors, cases, and chargers interfere with the display. Physical damage, a drop or heavy pressure can break the touch layer, even with no visible crack. Hardware faults, some display modules fail over time.
That is what the Apple repair programs cover. Water damage. Liquid can corrode the connectors and kill touch even later. The pattern. Start with the free software fixes, then clean and unplug. And only at the end consider hardware.
Quick recap. Clean the screen, remove cases and protectors. Unplug accessories, restart, force restart, update iOS, try accessibility tools. Reinstall from a computer and, if nothing helps, check the repair programs and visit Apple support.
Back up your iPhone before erasing or restoring and use Apple certified chargers and cables. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more fixes. Thanks for watching.